In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Chrome on Windows. If you're thinking about switching browsers or simply need to install Chrome for the first time, we've got you covered. Let's get started, and I'll guide you through each step with clarity and ease. First things first, open up any internet browser that you already have installed on your PC. If you're on a Windows computer, you might have Microsoft Edge as your default browser, so let's go ahead and use that. Just launch the browser and make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you have the browser open, navigate your way to the Google Chrome download page. The URL you need to type into the address bar is google.com/Chrome. This will take you straight to the official page where you can download Chrome safely and securely. It's always best to go directly to the official site to avoid any potential issues or downloading from unreliable sources. On the download page, you'll see a prominent Download Chrome button. Go ahead and click on it. This action will prompt the start of the downloading process, and you may see a dialog box that asks whether you want to save or run the file. If you're presented with the option to run the file, go ahead and click on it. Doing so will immediately start the installation process. However, if you only have the option to save, choose to save the file. This means Chrome's installation file will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, head over to your Downloads folder. Here you'll see the downloaded file, likely named something like chromesetup.exe. Simply double-click on this file to kickstart the installation. At this point, the installation should begin automatically if you clicked Run earlier, or after you double-click the file now. The process is largely automated and requires minimal input, so you can sit back and let your computer do the work. You'll notice the installation steps are happening in the background, and before you know it, Chrome will have been installed on your computer. Once it's ready, the browser will launch a new window automatically, indicating that the process is complete and Chrome is ready for you to start using. Installing Google Chrome is as simple as that. Now you can customize it with extensions, bookmark your favorite pages, or sign into your Google account for a more personalized browsing experience. Remember, if you ever encounter any problems during this process, make sure to check your internet connection or review the steps to ensure everything is followed correctly. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy browsing with your newly installed Google Chrome.